Hello, welcome to Atal Tinkering Lab video series. Atal Tinkering Lab helps you translate your innovative ideas into reality. In this video series, you will learn about all the equipments in your Atal manual and what you can build using them. So, let's get started. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction about 3D printing. Imagine you can create your own products, toys, or even a parts of a robot just by pressing a button. That's what a 3D printer does. Instead of printing on paper, it builds real objects you can touch and use. So, you must be thinking, what is 3D printer? A 3D printer is a machine that makes three-dimensional 3D objects by layering material like plastic. It works by taking a digital model, a model which is designed on a computer, and turning it into a real object by printing one layer on the top of another. So, now you all must be thinking, how does it work? So basically, there are 3 steps. First, designing the object. First, you design or download a 3D model on the computer. Now, second step, sending the design to the printer. The design is sent to 3D printer, which reads it like a blueprint. Now, the third step is printing layer by layer. The printer heats up plastic and sequences it out through a tiny nozzle, similar to how glue comes out of a glue gun. Now, you all must have one question. Okay, we understand 3D printer, but what we can build with it? With 3D printer, you can build your own products. These are some interesting projects which you can build with 3D printer. We will be seeing all the projects in future videos. So now we will see parts of 3D printer. Nozzle. The nozzle is where the heated material comes out. It moves around to place the plastic layer by layer to form the object. The frame is like a skeleton of the printer. It holds everything together and keeps the printer steady while it works. Cooling fan. After the plastic comes out the nozzle, it's hot and soft. The cooling fan blows air to cool it down quickly so the object can keep its shape. Printing bed. This is the flat surface where the object is built. It's like a table that the 3D printer model sits on while it's being printed. Display screen. The display screen is used to control the printer. You can start or stop a print, change setting, and check the progress of your print from here. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will be seeing how we can build our own 3D model, how we can download, and how we can print it on a printer. We will be seeing some interesting projects like building our own robotic arm, building a robotic hand, and building our own robotic car. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Like, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you plan to build in the comment section below.